Welcome to Dunder Data Python Challenge number 1. These are daily exercises to challenge your Python skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the solution to challenge number 1. So if you haven't attempted the challenge yet, pause the video, go visit python.dunderdata.com, enter your solution, which will get automatically graded, and then come back here to view my solution. So in this challenge, you are given a list of integers, and your job is to return the difference between the largest and smallest values. So for all of these challenges, you'll be writing your code within the body of this function. You'll come down here to the very bottom, delete this raise not implemented error, and then write your code here. So with this function, it accepts a single argument, which is a list of integers, and our job is to just find the maximum value in this list and subtract from it the minimum value. So this is a pretty simple challenge that can be solved in a single line. So if you go down here, we can just immediately begin with a return statement. We'll find the maximum value with the max built-in function, and then the minimum value with the min built-in function. We'll subtract the two and then return that value. After writing our code, we can execute the cell so that we can have our function available. Now in the cell below, our function is passed some sample input. Here it's a list of 3 integers, with 10 being the max and -20 being the minimum. And as expected, we should get 30 as the difference between the max and the minimum. Now there's one more cell below which will verify using an assert statement that our function does produce the correct output. When we execute this, if nothing happens, then we've gotten a correct result. If there is an error, that means there's something wrong with our output. So say for instance, instead of 10, this was 40. So the difference between the max and min would be 60. That would not equal this result of 30. So we'd get an error over here, but with the given sample input, we didn't get any message. So we know that our function did produce the correct result. So that wraps up Dunder Data Python Challenge number 1. As you might expect, the challenges will increase in difficulty as time moves on, and they will increase in point values based on their difficulty. So if you want to take all of the challenges, again, visit python.dunderdata.com. If you like these challenges and are interested in learning more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com, where I teach you how to master both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Here's a sample of 3 of my courses and books: Exercise Python, which will help you master the fundamentals of Python; Master Data Analysis with Python, which is a comprehensive guide for using Pandas to do data analysis; and then Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really exciting course which you'll learn all of the steps to build your very own dashboard with Python.